मायकल लोबो आणि दिगंबर कामत बीजेपीक जॉईन जावपाक एकठांय कशें आयले? तुम्ही तांचे काना कितें सांगले आनी ताणें तुमचे काना कितें सांगलें?
तशें काय ना आमी हांवें सांगलें तेका सर हिंगासर फ्युचर ना म्हणून.
इतले बरे भशेन सांगलें तुमी आनी इतले
Very
बरे भशेन
simple
आयकलें
words.
ताणें?
फ्युचर ना म्हणजे कितें?
हय.
Here we cannot even we wait and
He
work hard.
convinced you or you convinced him?
No, even if we work for the next 5 years to get the party back to power, it's a distant dream because the people who are here, they are so engrossed on their chair that they don't want you to work.
Yeah.
So it is up to you to decide.
But you convinced him or he convinced
We
you?
both spoke on this matter in length. की कितें करपाचें future, the way forward, how to go.
एक
So this was the main thing. Like after a couple of discussion, not one occasion, we sat on at least 7-8 occasions
कशें करपाचें?
to see the way.
कशें
ahead.
करपाचें?
So this is how we came to a conclusion that we should